Okay, bud. How's it going?
Good.
I like your studly haircut. You like it?
Yeah.
Brittany cut it for you? Yeah? You like it? How old are you?
4.
4? Just 4? 4?
And then 5.
And then you'll be 5?
And then 6.
And then 6, yeah, you'll be 6.
And then 7.
And then 7, yeah. That's usually how it
I'm
goes.
gonna be 7 before.
And then when you get older, you
I'm
just
also
want to
gonna
take
be
off
older
yours.
than you.
So.
But I was gonna be older than me.
What, baby girl? What?
Okay. Maverick, he's gonna be the smallest always, and I'm gonna be oldest.
Yeah.
And I will be second oldest because Hopi will be older than me. Because my brother, Maverick Jack, is 4. I'm 6, and my cousin is 9.
Okay. All right, mister.
What about the kitty?
We're not getting the kid right now. All right, over and out, okay? I love you. Love you, Bubba.
Take a picture of me.
I did take a picture.
What?
I did take a picture.
Oh, let me see.
Okay. Say over and out.